You got the list?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Heading into Costco for our October haul. I haven't been to Costco since before our trip last month. It's like the middle of October already and I haven't even been in yet. Renee is my helper today. You say hi?
Hi. I remember him now.
Oh yeah. Look at all these pretty decorations. Can you believe it's getting close to Christmas time?
Yeah.
Are you excited for Christmas?
Yeah.
Yay! They finally have our favorite bacon back. Yeah, we're gonna have to have some.
Yeah.
Let's get two. We miss this bacon so much. No, we haven't.
Well, I'm getting for breakfast tomorrow. I would want bacon.
You want bacon for breakfast?
And a bacon. And my favorite sausage if we could get it here.
Okay. We'll see what we find. We're gonna get some shredded cheese. Let's see, I think this one's usually the cheapest. Cheddar jack. Oh, everybody loved these tortillas. We're gonna get another one of these.
Hey, chicken nuggets? What? I have never seen those in here.
You haven't? Well, they finally have this back. They didn't have it for a while.
Oh, what is that?
That's dish soap.
Oh.
Put it right. Whew. All right, oh, and they got our laundry detergent over here.
Well, I like the sound of this one.
Ooh, these are heavy. Ooh, these are on sale.
Mom?
We got some hot dogs. Yeah?
Yes.
We'll grab one more.
Love breakfast tomorrow. I want.
But here, hold on. Don't decide yet, because look, I just found something else over here. This one.
That's my favorite sausage.
That's your favorite sausage?
Yes. Levi. Well, if Levi still likes nanas.
Oh, he
Levi
does.
nanas.
It does. They're for everybody, though. Syrup. All right, we got to get toilet paper and paper towels, too. They're over here.
Oh.
Still limit one per membership. Are people still buying out toilet paper these days? I thought we were done with that. Yeah, we'll probably get celery at a different store. We don't need as much as you'd get here. That would be too much celery for us.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get some tomato sauce. The floor is sticky over here. Something must have spilled. All right, I think we did it. We had to kick Renee out of the cart because it was too full. Self-checkout, here we come.
$10.99. $14.89.
Look at that door. It has ghosts.
Oh, really?
Something required for this item. Please keep using.
Oh, yeah, because it's almost Halloween. What do you think of all that food, Levi? What do you think of it? Are you being shy? Yeah. What do you want to try first? The bananas? Yeah, num num. More nana? Yeah, we'll put them over there. All right, I'll start down here. I got one loaf of the wheat sourdough bread, organic maple syrup, organic tomato sauce, double pack of shredded cheddar jack cheese, organic pasta, organic romaine hearts. We got some string cheese, some bell peppers. Let's see, these are organic carrots. Uncooked tortillas. We got these last time and they were really good. Everybody loved them. They were great actually for making quick pizzas, and they bubbled up and they were really yummy. You want more yogurt? Okay, just a minute. Just a minute. Got some organic romaine. Wait, did I already say that? I already said. Another big thing of popcorn. We were getting low. Some organic Fuji apples. Some bananas. They finally had our low sodium bacon back that we love. We like it a little bit lower sodium. The bacon that I've been making recently that I've just found on sale or whatever, everyone's been complaining that it's too salty. So happy to see this back. It hasn't been back since the big debacle back in, I don't know, April or March or April when everyone was buying everything out and it was gone for a very long time. We got 1 pack of the Sugar House Maple breakfast sausages. Those are Renee's favorite, so we got some of that. She requested for breakfast tomorrow. She wants to have bacon and sausage for breakfast. I got 3 packs of the Polish sausages because they were on sale for $3 off. That was a good deal. And then the last 4 things here are non-food items. I got laundry detergent, dishwashing soap, and toilet paper and paper towels. The total that I spent was $241.27.
Thanks for going shopping with us. Bye. Bye, too.
You want to say bye too?
Yeah.
Okay, look at the camera. You want to do it from a bag?
Yeah.
Are you the groceries we got today? Look at me. Say bye.
Bye.